Ladies and gentlemen, the moment we have been waiting for is here. On this note, it is my singular honor and privilege to announce the arrival of the special guest of honor and reviewing officer of the year 2023 Presidential Fleet Review, the President and Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, His Excellency President Muhammadu Buhari, Grand Commander of the Order of the Federal Republic. You are most welcome, Your Excellency.
Je me préside annoncer l'arrivée de l'invité d'honneur de l'officier du président, commandant en chef des forces armées de la République nationale. Son Excellence, le commandant de Buhari, grand commandant de l'ordre de la République fédérale. C'est le président.
His Excellency shall receive the national salute on the saluting dais. The national anthem. May you please take our seats. Your Excellency, distinguished invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, I would not be exaggerating if I told you that this occasion has several high points. One of such recognizable moments is the inspection of the parade by the reviewing officer. The President and Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, His Excellency Muhammadu Buhari, Grand Commander of the Order of the Federal Republic, has now commenced inspection of the parade.
This parade is composed of 2 guards and a band. Each guard has 3 officers and 48 ratings. In total, there are 105 personnel on parade. The parade is commanded by Commander M.P. Ibrahim. The number 1 guard officer is Lieutenant M. Honor, while the 2nd guard is commanded by Lieutenant U.B. Usman. The sub-guard commanders for number 1 guard are Lieutenant Andio Eremosele, and Sub-Lieutenant O.P. Ogain. For the number 2 guard, we have Sub-Lieutenants T.T. Enze and E.O. Edit. The band officer for today is Lieutenant Commander O. Olaya, and he is assisted by Lieutenant Commander E.F. Kalu. The ensigns to the national and regimental colors are Lieutenants S.S. Samuel and S.A. Sanu.
Your Excellency, my Isaac.
Your Excellencies, distinguished invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, having completed the inspection of the parade and granted the parade commander permission to march up the parade, the reviewing officer will now be graciously ushered. As the parade is marching off, I humbly crave the indulgence of our esteemed audience to please rise in honor of the national and regimental colors.
Awal Zubairu Gambo, Commander of the Order of the Federal Republic, to give his welcome address. The Chief of the Naval Staff, sir.
Les invités d'honneur, mesdames et messieurs, conformément au protocole déjà établi, je voudrais vous noter que l'importance de cette occasion se reflète dans le calibre des dignitaires présents. Aussi, en fait, vous avez accueilli. Permettez-moi d'inviter le frère spécial pour le chef d'état-major de la marine Nigeria, le vice-admiral Awal Zubairu Gambo, commandeur de l'ordre de la République fédérale, pour prononcer son discours au bienvenu. Le chef d'état-major. Merci.
Thank you. Case of honor, His Excellency, ably represented by the Chairman, Senate Committee on Navy, Senator George Sakibo. Speaker, House of Representatives, ably represented by Chairman, House Committee on Defense. The Executive Governor of Lagos State and other state governors here present, members of the National Assembly, former Chief of General Staff, Commodore Ebitu Ikiwe, Grand Commander of the Order of the Niger, Honorable Minister of Defense, the Chief of Defense Staff, Service Chiefs, and representative of Inspector General of Police, heads of foreign navies, former Chief of Defense Staff, Admiral Ola Saad Ibrahim, Commander of the Order of the Federal Republic, former Chiefs of the Naval Staff, representatives of the National Security Advisor, our Royal Fathers, senior military officers serving and retired, members of the Diplomatic Corps, heads of paramilitary and security agencies, National President, Naval and Air Force Officers' Wives Association, Captains of Industry, members of Naval Officers' Wives Association.
I am Commodore S.O. Ega, Commander, Naval Air Base Ojo. It is my singular honor and privilege to welcome Mr. President and all the guests to the Presidential Fleet Review 2023 and commissioning of the MN-410 helicopter. MN-410 is an AgustaWestland 109er Grand New Light Utility Helicopter manufactured by Leonardo Helicopters in Italy. The helicopter can support Nigerian Navy air operations in areas such as over-the-horizon targeting, close air support of Special Operations Forces, casualty and medical evacuation, as well as maritime patrol, amongst others. On behalf of officers, men, and civilian staff of Naval Air Base Ojo, I thank His Excellency for supporting the Nigerian Navy Air Fleet with these additional assets.
Can we please give the Revenue Officer a resounding round of applause? Distinguished invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, the Revenue Officer has rung the bell, which symbolizes the formal commencement of activities lined up for the fleet review. The next activity is the commissioning of cruise ships and helicopter, as well as the review of the international fleet of ships before us. Accordingly, may I humbly request the Chief of Police and Science, Rear Admiral S.S. Kaiba, Officer of the Order of the Federal Republic, to kindly usher in the selected dignitaries that will be going on board Nigerian Navy ship Aba. These are the 7th chief and the representative of the Inspector General of Police, the Chief of Defense Intelligence, as well as the Korean Ambassador, the Korean Defense Attaché, and the African Union Ambassador to Nigeria. As for the President's ship, which is Nigerian Navy ship Togo, this is reserved for the reviewing officer, the Executive Governor of Lagos State, the Honorable Minister
For all others.
Son Excellence, Mesdames et Messieurs, à l'intention de nos invités non-marins,
Il a été construit par la société OCA en France et a été mis en service par son Excellence le président Muhammadu Buhari, grand commandeur de l'ordre de la République fédérale, le 9 décembre 2021, dans ce même lieu. Le navire joue un rôle essentiel dans la protection de nos voies navigables contre la piraterie, le vol de pétrole brut, le sauvetage illégal de pétrole, le trafic de drogue et d'autres crimes au domaine maritime du Nigeria. Le navire est commandé par le capitaine de frégate Exo Adebayo. Au cours de la revue, le navire de la marine nigériane Sokoto transportera l'officier chargé de la revue vers le nord en direction de la lagune de Lagos, en plaçant la flotte du côté Babo. Le côté Babo est en terme Nalvad désigne le côté gauche. Il convient de noter que le terme Tribo désigne le côté droit qui enlève sa coiffe et lance 3 acclamations en honneur de l'officier de la revue, son Excellence le Président Muhammadu Buhari. grand commandeur de l'ordre de la République fédérale.
Your Excellencies, very distinguished ladies and gentlemen, as the reviewing officer sails to commission the 2 ships and a helicopter, permit me to highlight the ceremony of commissioning ships in the Navy. During a commissioning ceremony, a parade is usually formed with the ship's company facing away from the ship. For this, for those who may not be conversant with the terminology ship's company, it is simply a naval term for officers and ratings serving on board a ship. The focal point for this ceremony is the turning about of the ship's company to face the new ship for the symbolic hoisting of colors. This prevents the special guest of honor, chaplaincy, commanding officer, and other guests from having to turn about for that part of the ceremony. Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, at this moment, the reviewing officers ship, the Nigerian Navy ship Sokoto and Nigerian Navy ship Aba are coming alongside. For clarity, the dignitaries on board Nigerian Navy ship Aba are required to disembark first. They will kindly form up at the jetty to receive His Excellency the President and Reviewing Officer as he disembarks Nigerian Navy ship Sokoto.
Okay, give him slack, Move fast. Fast now.
other road. You don't tie that one. You want to see the leaf. Open up this one. Tie that one, give it the other road. Make fast this rope. I said make fast. You can't walk up and make fast. I hope you please let you tell me what to do. Don't like this. Double it up immediately. Make fast and double it up. It's okay. Now bring the second one. No. Remove this one and bring the second one. Leave that one. I hope you. They're double. They are not married. They stay up is not married. They should marry up, they stay up. They are not properly married. Marry up your rope, they stay up.
Nigerian Navy ship Andoni. Her visual call sign is P100. She is another indigenous seaworld defense boat built by the Nigerian Navy in the Naval Dockyard Limited, Lagos, the venue of the Presidential Fleet Review 2023. She was commissioned on the 1st of June 2012. Nigerian Navy ship Andoni patrols the coastal areas and has participated in numerous military exercises. She is commanded by Commander M. Gada.
Which is encouraged local shipbuilding by the Nigerian Navy. Distinguished guests, I am pleased to state that the Navy's efforts in indigenous shipbuilding in line with the nation's local content development plan is yielding positive results. Our naval engineers were only responsible for building 3 seaworld defense boats, namely NNS Andoni, NNS Karadwa, NNS Oji. In December 2021, I performed keel laying foundation for the construction of 2 seaworld defense boats, which will be ready by 2024. At this rate, I have no doubt that our Navy will soon commence construction of larger ships for itself and other navies in the region and beyond. This achievement is a great pride to Nigeria and an impressive contribution to national development. This is why the theme of this 2023 Fleet Review, Fleet Readiness for National Prosperity, was carefully chosen to underscore responsibility of the Navy infringements in our maritime spaces and in the Gulf of Guinea towards attainment of national prosperity. I must say that the Navy has put these vessels into effective use, as evident in successes recorded in the fight against resource theft, counter-drug operations, and piracy. As you are aware, piracy reduced significantly over the past 7 years, which culminated in delisting Nigeria from the list of piracy-prone countries by the International Maritime Bureau in March 2022. Furthermore, application of technology to secure the maritime domain has supported intelligence-driven deployment of these ships. I will particularly commend the diligent arraignment and prosecution of anti-heroic even sequel to the detection and arrest for attempting to load crude oil offshore Bonny in August 2022 without authorization, to cite one example. This successful conviction further confirms the Navy's resolve to protect resources belonging to our country. Distinguished guests, the sea is a common factor that joins nations rather than separate them. I am aware that the Navy regularly collaborates with navies from partner nations to boost synergy in addressing illegalities within the Gulf of Guinea, especially during joint exercises such as exercise Obangame Express, exercise Grand Africa Nemo, and exercise Flintlock Nation Assure. These exercises have enhanced the Navy's readiness to maritime security operations. I want to sincerely commend acts of navies and coast guards, as well as foreign allies, for this useful cooperation. I sincerely thank you for honoring me and my country. Let me now compliment the government, people of Lagos State, and other maritime stakeholders for the critical support given to the country's Navy in conducting this fleet review. Fortunately, more than half of our maritime trade passes through ports located in Lagos, and as such, continues to be a lifeline for the nation's industry and economy. This strategic importance further underscores the necessity of cordial work and vision. I wish to congratulate the Chief of Naval Staff, Vice Admiral Joseph Gambo CFR, and the entire Navy personnel for the splendid conduct of this historic event. As you are outgoing President and Commander-in-Chief, this is a moment of immense joy and satisfaction for me. The Navy is proud of your numerous achievements. Finally, I have no doubt that the incoming administration of President-elect Excellency Bola Ahmed will sustain the current tempo of our administration in giving Navy necessary support to effectively carry out its assigned tasks. My best wishes to our Navy for protecting our maritime domain and the economic prosperity of Nigeria. Thank you all, and God continue to bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Being played, we are most humbly requested to rise. In addition, all commissioned officers and senior non-commissioned officers in uniform are kindly requested to salute. The parade commander, please. May we all rise. May we please be seated. The service chief, the representative, the Inspector General of Police, the Chairman Senate Committee on Navy, the Chairman House Committee on Defense, the representative of the Minister of Transport, all heads of navies and coast guards here present. Thank you, Your Excellency.
Thank you, Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. A splendid lunch has been laid out in honor of all our esteemed guests at the banquet hall of the Admiralty Conference Center. You are all kindly requested to go to the center to observe your lunch. So please, let's, our esteemed invited guests, let's move to the conference center for our lunch.
By the time